guys, welcome to Andrea's Cocina. Today we are making some red enchiladas with flour tortillas. Everything I made is from scratch. So the salsa, the tortillas, except for the chicken. I didn't cook the chicken. I just got a rotisserie chicken. All right, but if you guys want to know how to make this, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start with 1.5 cups of flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, perfect, 1/4 of Crisco, this is the all vegetable shortening, and with your clean hand, you are going to just, what is this called? Embarrar, smear, so that I can spread out more evenly. Whenever you add the flour in, it won't be so hard to mix it all together. Okay, and just use your hand and keep on mixing it together. And what you're looking for is that once you squeeze it together, it kind of forms like a solid and it's easy to crumble afterwards. Now we are going to add 1/2 cup of warm water to our mixture here. I like to add it in little by little. The dough is going to be hydrated, but not too moist, not too slimy, and you want it to be very malleable. Whenever you push it in, you don't want it to rip. At this point on, we are going to make the testales. So basically you pinch off a little bit of the dough, and I kind of just have it like around the palm of your hand. It really depends how big you want the tortillas, but I think I'm gonna make around maybe 10 tortillas. Okay, now that we made our testales, we are just going to cover them with a wet paper towel and just leave them sitting out for at least 10 minutes, but we're probably gonna leave them sitting out for a little bit more since we are gonna be cooking all that other stuff. So, and also a towel to cover them as well, just so they don't dry out with the air. So let me just put these aside. Okay guys, now in a large pot, we are going to add 3 tomatoes, 7 chile guajillos, and 2 chile de árbol. I'm just going to cut off the stems on this chile guajillo and take out some of the seeds. It doesn't really matter. Unless you don't want it too spicy, then take out all the seeds. Alright, so now for the enchilada sauce. We are going to add everything that was in our pot to our blender. We are also going to add 2 cups of this water into the blender as well. We're going to add a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 2 garlic cloves, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 of a white onion, and then salt and pepper. Strain this out. I'm going to stir it one more time, and I'm going to close it and put it at the lowest setting and just leave it there for like 15 minutes. Okay guys, so now after you've finished preparing your enchiladas, just put them in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes or until all the cheese has melted. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the finished product. This salsa is actually the same one that I use for my chilaquiles video. So if you want to learn how to make chilaquiles, then go ahead and check that video out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope y'all try this recipe. Thanks. That's so good.